Guys, hope everybody is doing okay. In today's video, we're just going to look at how to use ZPROSTAT. So ZPROSTAT is where you check the report of your orders. So when you put something on order, whether PB01 or manual reservation, normal class twos, you go to either what do you call it, ZPROSTAT, to check the status of it. So mostly when you go there, you go to you check the open checkbox, you check that one, and all orders that has been funded, you're going to see it there. So there's a linkage between the ZPROSTAT and the MASSET, right? Is it the MASSET? No. So sorry, it's not a MASSET. The ZPROSTAT and the PGR, right? So there's a linkage between the ZPROSTAT and the PGR. So anytime, or what we call the VLOCSI. So anytime you receive something, right? You receive something at the SSA. That item that you've received, you can also see it on the ZPROSTAT. The moment you PGR that item falls off ZPROSTAT, right? That item falls off ZPROSTAT. That means you are telling the big army or GCSS that, hey, I've actually received it. So it has to be off that report that it has been funded. I've actually received it. Then it moves to your MASSET. You get it? So basically, ZPROSTAT plays a check role, making sure that everything that has been funded is still there. You PGR it, you tell the system, hey, I have received it. Then the big army will pay the vendor because you've told GME that I've received it. So basically that's how ZPROSTAT works. Also, when the item is not in yet at the SSA, it will still be opened on ZPROSTAT. So let's put that one in mind. Let's go on. So ZPROSTAT is going to be under reservation management, order status report. So we want open orders. You put in your plan 2000 and your storage location. So this is actually our ZPROSTAT. These are our work orders, right? As you can see the document number right here. This is the document number, right? There's document number. This is the purchasing document number. So this is what we use when we go to VLOCSI to receive or to do PGR. This is the quantity. Now let's move to the amount. So this is the gross value. That's total, the cost times the quantity right here. So we can actually find the total value of all open orders, right? If your commander wants to know the total value of all open orders, you can actually select that column, then you hit the sigma sign right here and you get the total. That means I have 54,000 worth of 54,893 worth of equipment or items that are on open orders right now. So basically that is ZPROSTAT. So anytime there's an item here, that item is either on your VLOCSI or it's not in yet. So sometimes it's already there or not in there. I'll show you when it's on it and when it's not on it. When I say on it means VLOCSI. Now there's something that I'll be talking about. There's a status, this status, mail strip, right? The mail strip status. It has everything here has a meaning. Most of the time, looking at B7, the code B7, most of the time means the unit price of that item has changed. That means that item is never going to come in because the price has changed. So what it means is you need to talk to your S8 to delete that order, right? So that you can reorder it because the price has changed. So let's go and look at the meaning of V7. V7 means unit price change. The latest price for the item identified by the stock or part number has been changed, right? So it means that all orders that has B7 to it means they need to be deleted, right? And reordered so that the new price will come with a new price. Now let's look for the meaning for BA. BA here means item processed for release and shipment on the requisition, right? So it means the item has been processed and it's ready for shipment, right? Now BB is back order, right? BB is back order. As you can see, right, the item is back ordered against a due in to stock. Now let's look at ZF, right? I call it ZF. So let's look at the tent, right? Let's see if the tent is at the SSA. I can look at it from here. Always we go to VLOC site to look at it. We can also look from it from here. So you go to ZF. As you can see, nobody has received it, right? It's not at SSA yet. Even though it has a document number, it's not at the SSA yet, right? So now let's go back and look at one that is already at the SSA. Let's look through and look for one that is already at the SSA. So as you can see a huge difference, right? You can see good has been issued, right? And it's ready for goods received. We haven't received it yet. So that item is still sitting on our VLOC side, and I can't receive it because we are about to deploy and we are no longer going to the SSA, so I can't receive it. So this item is still sitting on at the SSA. So basically that is your ZPROSTAT, right? So always remember, sometimes you hear your big EXO from the battalion telling you, you guys need to PGR, you guys need to PGR. The reason they are telling you to PGR is because the vendors are complaining that they haven't received their money, because the only time they are being paid is when you PGR that item. So when you receive that item, then it falls off your ZPROSTAT, then they get paid. That's why you hear your EXO and your big EXO from the battalion telling you to PGR your stuff. So guys, this is all that we had to do today. More videos will be coming out soon. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and click on the notification bell.